Hello everyone. So in this video we will see how to use a remote to control our LED by using an IR decoder. So the one we are going to use in our hardware part is TSOP1378, and the one which you are looking at and or in this image, this is TSOP312. Both of them have different pin structure, so you need to figure out what pin structure your IR decoder have. In this image, this is the ground pin of this IR decoder. This is VCC pin and this is your signal pin. So let the basic thing to know about IR decoder, that it is used to decode the IR signal that it is received from an IR source, which can be your remote control, any remote control which sends an IR signal, and it is used to decode that IR signal. And we are going to use a library that will decode that IR signal and convert it into a visual format so that we can understand what type of data is passed through that IR signal, is passing through the, or what type of IR signal is sent by the remote. Okay, so now we will see the connection part. So first, connect ground pin of your IR decoder to the negative rail of your breadboard, VCC pin to positive rail of your breadboard, signal pin to fourth pin of Arduino Uno. Then connect cathode leg of your LED to negative rail of your breadboard. Connect 220 ohm resistor to one leg of 220 ohm resistor to the anode pin of your LED, and second leg of your LED to the 7th pin of your Arduino Uno. Now give 5 volt supply from your Arduino Uno to the positive rail of breadboard and ground to the negative rail of your breadboard. So that this is all that we need to know about our circuit diagram. Now let's just move on to our coding section. So first, what we need to do, we need to download a library called IR remote. So then go to Sketch, include library, manage libraries. A window will be open. Just type IR remote . Now go down in your list and you will see this library IR remote by Sheriff. Install this library, its latest version, as I have already installed it in my Arduino IDE. Now let's just move on to our coding section. So first, what we have done is included our IR remote library, defined 4th pin as decoder pin, 4th pin of Arduino Uno as decoder pin, 7th pin of Arduino Uno as LED pin. Now we have used an unsigned long int data type to store the value that is decoded by our IR decoder. So it is so big that normal integer data type cannot be used to store that amount of data. And here we are creating an object IR receive of IR receiver class and passing decoder pin as a parameter. Now we are creating a result object of our decode result library, class, to get result which is decoded by IR receiver. Now in our void setup, first we have begin our serial monitor, baud rate will be 9600. We have begin our IR receiver, set pin mode of an LED pin as output. Now in void loop, this is used. What this will do, that if any new data is available on IR decoder, our function, our cursor or our program will go into this if condition. Under this if condition, then it will receive the result value, then it will print decoded value is this, then it will print the decoded value. If our decoded value equals to this, our LED will be going to turn high. If our decoded value is this, then our LED pin is going to be low. And now we have given a delay for 1 second, and now we have again resumed our IR receiver so that it can receive new data. So that's all for our coding section. Now I have to tell you that different remote have different values for the same buttons, which means if your TV remote's power button and your dish TV remote's power button, both of them have different decoded value, because manufacturers use different chips in the making of IR remotes. That's why you need to figure out what is the data that is sent by your remote by using these 3 line of code and this also, so that you can again receive new data from your Arduino Uno. Now what we are going to do, first upload our sketch, choose Arduino Uno as your board, select your COM port. As I have already uploaded my program, I am just going to open my serial monitor. As you can see, now I am going to send IR signals. First I will use power button. So as you can see, this is the data, this is the decoded value of my remote's power button. This is my dish TV remote. Now I am pressing 1, now I am pressing 2, now I am pressing 3, and so on. Now I am pressing 0. So as you can see in the code, this is the power button's value, this is the one keypad button value of my dish TV remote. So here you can see both of them are same, 948321248, 948321248. So I have set in my code that if I press one button in my dish TV remotes, my LED pin will be going to turn on, and if I press 0, this is our 0th pin decoded value, 0th button decoded value, 948321216, 948321216. So if I press 0th button in my TV remote, dish remote, my LED pin will be going to turn off. LED will be going to turn off. So another thing I am going to tell you that first I am sending data from my TV remote. So you can see yes, you can see this data is printed 3 times. After this means that this value is repeated 3 times. That is why this code has been shown 3 times. These functions are available on new TV remotes, but the one my dish remote does not have this function. It sends only one time data, or means it sends data only one time even if I long press my buttons. But in my TV remote, if I long press my button, it will continuously send the same data. So that's why this decoded value has been printed 3 times, which indicates that this button, or I have used power button of my TV remote. So the power button is pressed for 3 times, means 3 seconds, because I have given 1 second delay. So it's been printed 3 times. So I have pressed my power buttons from my TV remote for 3 seconds. That's why this data is printed. So that's all what we need to know about our IR decoder circuit part and our coding part. Now we will move on to hardware. So I am just going to give you my just going to place my camera here, the output of my camera here, so that you can easily understand what is going on. So as you can see, here is my hardware setup. So this is my IR decoder. This is the LED I am using, a resistor and connections. So my IR decoder have different pin structure than yours, than that I have shown in the image or circuit diagram. So you need to figure out what is the pin structure of your IR decoder before programming or uploading the code. And you also need to change these values according to the remote that you are using, because a different remote have different value for the same buttons. So you need also to do that. So you can easily just remove, so you can just remove these 4 line of code and try and upload it on your Arduino Uno, and then try out what button of your IR remote have what decoded value. Then you can program your Arduino accordingly. Now let's just open our serial monitor. Now this is the IR remote this is the remote that I am using. This is my Dish TV remote. Now I am pressing 1. As you can see, LED is turned on, and the value which is displayed on our serial monitor is 94832124. 94832124. Now I am pressing 0th button. Now it is turned off. So the value which is displayed is 9483212116. 9483212116. So that's all. You need to play around with this library so that you can perfectly understand different remote structure, different decoded values of different remote for the same buttons. Means volume button, 2 different remote have 2 different decoded value for the volume up button and volume down button and power button. So that's all you need to know about this video or this project. Thank you.